If you've not been making money online, the reason is simple. Maybe you've not been creating value. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use this software, ChatGPT, to start creating value and start making money online today. So what we want to do here is called keyword research. You're going to use this free tool to do good keyword research. Okay, so once you're over here, you're going to go to app.nepatel.com, or you search Uber Suggest. That's going to bring you here. So you're going to type in any word that is related to your niche. Okay, for example, let's say we want to type in how to make money online. So you can see this here shows you the search volume, the monthly search volume. That is over 110,000 people are searching this online. Can you see there are a lot of people searching this? Okay, so you can make money from this. Okay, this right here represents the SEO difficulty. So this means that if you write an article and try to rank it on Google, this is how difficult it is to get the article to rank on Google. Hold on a minute, I'm going to show you what to do to make this work. Okay, so the higher this number, the more difficult it would be for you to rank an article on Google. So listen to me, if you can successfully rank an article on Google that gets this amount of traffic on a monthly basis, believe me, you'll be making good amount of money. So this is why a lot of people quit. They say it's not possible because they find it difficult to rank the article on Google. So I'm going to be showing you what you need to do to make this thing work. So the next thing here is paid difficulty. As you can see, this is 54. So this tells you how difficult it is if you want to actually run an ad on this topic. Okay, so we don't want to spend money, we want to do everything for free here. Okay, so what you're going to be doing is so you come down here, you can see down here we've got a bunch of topics, okay, that are related to how to make money online. Okay, so because you're using a free tool, you're not going to have access to all of the available keywords. Okay, so but what you want to pay attention to when you're here is the numbers here. So as you can see, it says SEO difficulty here 79. Like I said earlier, the higher the number, the more difficult it is. Okay, so what you want to do is to look for a number that is very small. That's the first trick. Okay, why most people can't rank on Google is because they write content on stuffs that have high SEO difficulty. Okay, so you can see this one here is 21. Okay, so what you would want to do would be to use a keyword that has a decent amount of search volume but with a low SEO difficulty. Okay, so you can see 21 here is better than all these ones here. So if you click on view all keywords, you might get lower numbers here. Okay, so make sure you use the smallest possible number that has a good amount of search volume here. So that's what you would want to do, and that's how to do a proper keyword research. Okay, so this is not all about it, but this is like the basics, okay, that can get you started. Okay, so now we have a topic, how to make money online as a team. So the next step would be to go to chat.openai.com. So that's going to bring you here. So what you would want to do would be to click on the sign up button here to create an account with your Gmail. So once you've created your account and logged into ChatGPT, what you would do would be to come over here and ask the following question. So this would be the prompt. Generate blog topic titles on how to, then you're gonna put in the keyword you got from the Uber Suggest website I showed you earlier on. Okay, so in this case, I'm gonna be saying generate blog topic titles on how to make money online as a team. So, and then you click on search and watch ChatGPT generate the articles for you in a matter of seconds. So here is the next step. Please follow me closely so you don't make a mistake. Okay, when you want to do this, you're gonna select any of these blog topic titles that ChatGPT has generated for you. If you don't like this, you might want to regenerate more content. Okay, so let's say this one here is your choice, right? This is the one you like out of the 10 generated by ChatGPT. So you're gonna copy it and come over here and type in the following prompt, and this is the prompt. Generate the blog outlines for this title. You're gonna put inverted commas and then you're gonna paste this title down here. Okay, and then you're gonna click the search button, and then as you can see, ChatGPT is gonna do the same thing. Okay, it's gonna generate you blog outlines for the title. Now, I don't want to bore you with reading the thing that ChatGPT has generated for me. Okay, so this software here is pretty awesome. So what you want to do now would be to ask ChatGPT to generate blog content for the first outline. Okay, so you can see the various outlines here. ChatGPT is saying my article should have an introduction, it should have definition of what a side hustle is, and then the third outline here should be the 10 side hustles for teens to make money online. Okay, so because this software can be talked to as you would normally talk to a human, so I'm going to ask it to generate me a blog content for the first outline. So that would be the next prompt. So here we go. I'm going to click on the search button, and as you can see, it is generating a blog content for the first outline. So once it's done, the next thing you would want to do would be to ask ChatGPT to generate another blog content for the next outline. So what you're going to be doing is the contents being generated, you're going to be copying them and pasting them on your Google Docs, and that's how you'll be able to get an organized article like the one you are looking at. Okay, so if the article is not lengthy enough, you might ask ChatGPT to give you more information on a particular concept or an outline so that you can make the article as lengthy as you want. So if you've watched this video this far, this tells me that you're really interested in making money online. Congratulations, because I'm going to now show you some key techniques you need to make sure you monetize this content correctly. Because this content like this cannot rank on Google because it's an AI generated content. Google does not like AI generated content. Okay, so stay with me. There are a few more things I need to show you and how to monetize this content. Okay, so the next step will be to highlight your content and copy it. Once copied, you're going to come to this website here, spinbot.com. You're going to paste the content here and have this software here paraphrase the content. This way you would reduce the AI touch on the content. Boom, as you can see, it has been paraphrased. This was what I pasted. This portion is the paraphrased version. Okay, so what you're going to do is to copy the paraphrased version of your content. Okay, so I'm going to copy the paraphrased version of this content. So the next thing you would want to do would be to come to an AI content detector like writer.com, originality.ai. There are a bunch of them. Okay, what do you want to do with this software? You would paste the content that has been paraphrased by Spinbot. Okay, so you're gonna paste it here, and once you have it pasted, you would click on the analyze button down here. And why do you want to do that? It's gonna give you a score here. Okay, so if this AI tells you that your content has a high percentage chance that it was written by a human, that means that you could rank on Google without any penalties with this content. Okay, so this is how to do it. Okay, you're going to run it on multiple softwares. Like I said earlier on, you could try originality.ai, you could try writer.com. I'm going to give you a list of those in the description. Now the next thing to do would be to come to medium.com. If you don't have an account on Medium, you would have to sign up. Once you're signed up and logged in, you're going to come to your logo icon here. Okay, so if you click on that, that's going to display a blank space for you here. Okay, so what we're going to do is to copy the paraphrased content by Spinbot and paste it here. Okay, so once you have it pasted here, that's your article. Okay, so what you would want to do now would be to add pictures, okay, images to this. So to do this, you're going to click on this plus icon. So that's going to display all of these things here. So these things are very important. So you can add a picture with this, you can add a video with this, you can add whatever you want to add. Okay, so let's say I want to add a picture. You're going to click on that picture symbol there. So that will take you to your device storage, and you're going to select any picture you like. As you can see, I've selected this one. I'm talking about money. Of course, it makes more sense to have a picture that talks about money here. So as you can see, this is your article. Now the next thing you would want to do would be to add links to this. So you're going to come to this website here, warriorplus.com. You could also use other affiliate marketing websites like ClickBank, like Digistore24, like JVZoo. You could use any of them. Okay, so for example, we're using warriorplus.com. You're going to create an account and sign in. Once you're logged in, your dashboard is going to look like this. Okay, so what you're going to have to do would be to click on this little symbol here. So once you click on that, that's going to bring you here. So what you want to do is to go to offers. So you're going to click on that. So what you would want to do is to look for any offer here that talks about making money online. Okay, so because you're writing an article about how to make money online, okay, for teens. Okay, so you are going to pick something like profit engage. Okay, from the name here, I can tell that it would have something to do with making money online. So you're gonna have to click on this. So you can see here, this is my link. So I'm gonna click on the link. Okay, so I'm gonna click on the link. So you can see here is my affiliate link. So I'm gonna have to copy the affiliate link. You're gonna come back to your Medium article and add this link. Okay, so now to be on the safer side, you might want to publish this on your personal website. Okay, so you have to get started somehow. Okay, I've got a video that teaches you how you can actually create a website, a blogger website, for free. You're not gonna spend any money. At least you can start from there. Once you start making money, you could upgrade and start using WordPress and the likes. Okay, so if you want to know how you can actually paste this kind of content on your free blog website and make money without paying any money, watch the video linked in the description. This is BrixLBs. If you love this content, give it a like, share it among your friends, and this is your guy Ken signing off.